A business scenario describes business process, application, set of applications that can be enabled by the architecture. Okay, let's just read it, then I will elaborate it. The business and the technology environment, the people and computing components, the actors and who execute it, right? The desired outcome of proper execution. Okay, this per se doesn't enlighten you much. But now, what is a case study? We do a lot of case studies. What is a case study? It's a business scenario. It's a business situation described in words. That's what a case study is. Right? So, business scenario can be the scenario that existed in the past at a particular point of time. It can be, you can sit and write. If I ask you last week, what was the situation in your company, about a particular product, what happened, and this, you can clearly write down a story. The customer called, we did that, you can create a scenario because we have these computers in this company, this service, this operating system, these softwares, these applications that are there, right? Therefore, when this particular application was came in as this particular job came into us, it required that specific application which is not there with us, and therefore we could not execute, accept it, or we had to calculate if we buy that application, what would be the total cost, and as a result, would taking this order, can we make profit? You can create a clear business scenario which describes business process, application, set of applications that was at that point of time, the technology environment that prevailed at that time, and so on and so forth. You can write a clear case study as what it obtained, and business scenario can be what it obtains now at this moment. You can sit and write in your company, customer places an order over the net or over the phone or whatever systems you have, then we service them through email, this, that, whatever, your entire process you can sit in, and this is the IT infrastructure we have, right? This is how we service, this is what it yields. You can create a business scenario. And when you want to build an architecture, you want a future scenario. You would want, say, again, we go back to the same example of you want to offer your product on a web store or an online store, or you want to go to, let's say, new market, South Africa, right? Or you want to increase your product portfolio, things like that, new portfolios. Or you have decided, okay, no more people developing the software, I'm going to, using AI, artificial intelligence, I'm going to develop all my products. Whatever your decisions. Then if that is your decision, how the whole situation, operation take place? How will the customer approach you? Or how would you market? You can start from there. How would you start making cold calls? From there, how would ultimately culminate in delivering the services to the customer, collecting the money, closed, right? And not only that, taking it back to your knowledge base for your future artificial intelligence and whatever. Whatever your decision, you can write out a scenario right from the beginning to the end, until you say finished, right? This is a wonderful technique. You should be able to normally put it. When you start putting it in, you realize how difficult it is, but it is worth it, right? When the whole scenario is in front of you, you know where are the gaps. Life is easy. I can ask you that simple question. Easy or not? That's right. Let's see. Yeah?
Makes it easy.
Makes it definitely easy, because it's much easier for, at the conceptual stage, sit and write all these things. Because you're very excited. You've thought of a new product, new service, new market, new situation. Put it all. and entire operation end to end you should create the scenario.